botohan ninyo si Marcoleta. Marcoleta, susuportahan ko yan. Mahusay, mabait, manghiyas na integrity. I'm asking everybody who's listening now about Gatos Luzon, botohan ninyo si Marcoleta kasi mahusay yan.
For Senator, by all means, I will campaign, not just vote for Dante Marcoleta. People like him, we need the Senate.
The Congressman, ano?
Congressman
Yes.
Dante.
Sabi nyo nga ngayon, si Congressman Marcoleta, maganda pong ehemplo ng masasabi natin talagang maprinsipyo at ano.
Based on my personal assessment of him,
Yes.
I know him, he's my friend, and yung pinakikita niya lately, talaga namang maiso, brave, may paninindigan, matapang, and hindi siya nagsasalita para lang salita. Ako, personally, that's how I look at Dante, itong Dante Marcoleta. I am begging the Filipino people, let us put credible people in the Senate and in the House of Representatives. Nakikiusap ako sa sambayan ng Pilipino na huwag nating hayaan na hindi magkaroon ng at the very least effective opposition if we cannot have a dominant opposition at the moment. As for yung aking tugon, hindi ho ako gumagawa ng senaryo. Yun ay ang aking vision, yun ang aking aspiration, yun ang aking pakiusap sa bawat Pilipino na huwag nating hayaan na makontrol ang both houses ng Kongreso because that is a very, very, very dangerous proposition.
Nga, sagot ko.
Ngayon si Marcoleta, ano natin?
PDP is my party. Marcoleta, susuportahan ko yan. Mahusay, mabait, and he has the integrity. Botohan ninyo si Marcoleta. Kung hindi man ito kampanya, pero kung nandyan na yan siya, I'm asking everybody who's listening now about Gatos Luzon, botohan ninyo si Marcoleta kasi mahusay yan.
Hello, hi sir. Yes, I'm Mylon Purification from Aircrew Studio, yung Happy Network sa YouTube channel. First question, bago yung follow-up sa inquiry kanina ni Belia. Senator Vic, are you running for the Senate this coming
Marami nagtatanong yan. Marami nag-text dito, mga media friends natin. Sorry to interrupt. Marami nag-text dito sa Facebook Live and Zoom asking, is Attorney Vic planning to run to help create the scenario of an effective opposition?
I am not trying to create the scenario to have an effective opposition. It is an aspiration. It is a dream. Regardless of who the administration or the president is. In a democracy, hindi pwedeng nagsisiping lahat sapagkat mawawalan talaga ng balanse. And that is a very, very dangerous precedent. So, it is not me trying to create a scenario to have an effective opposition. I am begging the Filipino people, let us put credible people in the Senate and in the House of Representatives. Nakikiusap ako sa sambayan ng Pilipino na huwag nating hayaan na hindi magkaroon ng at the very least effective opposition if we cannot have a dominant opposition at the moment. As for yung aking tugon, hindi ho ako gumagawa ng senaryo. Yun ay ang aking vision, yun ang aking aspiration, yun ang aking pakiusap sa bawat Pilipino na huwag nating hayaan na makontrol ang both houses ng Kongreso because that is a very, very, very dangerous proposition.
Will you include yourself in the possibility now? Maraming nagtatanong, will you include yourself in the possible effective opposition na you are aspiring for? Maraming nagtatanong dito, pakitanong kay Attorney Vic if he is running. Ito, may isang journalist, please ask Attorney Vic if he is running for senator, because we don't want just clowns and actors and others, comedians lang daw. We need an intelligent lawyer like him. Sabi nung isang journalist or fan mo. And several people asking.
I'm not oblivious to the questions, to the request, to the plea for me to consider leading the charge and consider running for the Senate. I am considering, but I have yet to make a final decision on whether to run or not to run. While I know we're already in midstream of the filing today or so, October 4 na.
What is the deadline? October 8.
October 8. So, midstream tayo, meron pang natitirang 4 na araw. I'm still in the process of consulting well-meaning people. Papakinggan ko lang din yung kanilang views and thoughts and feel whether the Filipino people are already or ready to have a candidate in a campaign minus the wherewithals of a national campaign, the logistics, the funding, which incidentally I also discussed during my last meeting with President Duterte. And we both agreed na I think if there is really we cannot be oblivious to the request. But let's see, meron pa namang ilang araw na pag-isipang mabuti dahil hindi madaling desisyon, Wilson.
Yes. Thank you very much, sir. So,
Anong napag-usapan nyo ni Mayor Baste Duterte nung nagpunta kayo ng
Yes.
Davao? And kasama ba sa napag-usapan yung dalawa kayong tatakbo sa midterm elections?
Si Mayor Baste is a very, very good material to run for senator. But he is the mayor of Davao City, and from our conversation then, I think he is inclined to run for re-election, but not totally closing the door for a potential senatorial run. And I think even his party, I very well told Mayor Baste that I think he is one of the future of his party, the PDP party. And I dare to say, he is also one of the, that you can see in the horizon, the future of Philippine politics. So it's up to him. Again, I cannot speak on behalf of Mayor Baste, pero yun ang aming napag-usapan, Marlon.
Hello, George Boyd for Manila Stories. So, sir, you were saying kanina about yung credible opposition. So, what's your ideal, or if do you have anyone who are credible opposition, or if not, what's the ideal credible opposition for that?
Look at it this way. He is my friend. He is my friend. Imagine lang ninyo, mga kababayan, kung meron lang 3-4 pa na kagaya ni Dante Marcoleta sa Kongreso, I don't think they will be able to do what they're doing with such impunity. I'm not endorsing Dante, but he's my friend. Should he file for senator, by all means, I will campaign, not just vote for Dante Marcoleta. People like him, we need in the Senate.
the congressman,
Congressman
Yes.
Dante. So that's my, yan yung sinasabi ko, that's what I am pushing for and promoting and campaigning. Let's put, hindi natin kayang abutin yung dominant opposition, at least a credible and effective opposition who can articulate yung mga issues ng bayan, hindi yung pang-sariling interest lamang.
Thank you.